Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2015 Mazda 3 and I'm going to show you how easy it is to update the clock on the entertainment screen. So all we're going to do is have our ignition on and use this toggle switch here by turning it, pushing it to the left and right and pushing it in. But first off we're going to press the home button right in the middle there, which takes us to this screen here. We're then going to rotate the button all the way to the right. So we go to settings and press it in. And then you'll notice at the top there we've got display, safety, sound and clock. So we're going to actually push the toggle switch to the right until you get to clock. And then more often than not you'll actually see that it's on a GPS sync. So this should be correct. However, if you're near a time zone it can actually get confused and often give you the wrong time. So you may want to then press the button in and that turns the GPS sync off. With that off, we can now change the time format from 12 hours to 24 hours, the time zone, whether there's daylight savings or not. And then we can go up to the top there, adjust time and press the button in. And then along the bottom, you'll see the pluses and minuses for the hours and the minutes. And we can set it to AM and PM. So nice and simple, you just go back. You can plus or minus the minutes. Do the same with the hours. So if I go 9:35, and I want to say it's PM, just tap that in. Then when I go ahead and hit the home button, that's automatically changed on the entertainment screen. So there you go, nice simple video for you today. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.